Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now, it's the final week of Fantasy. Game week 38, the moment you've all been waiting for. And we need to get those captain picks correct. It's the final chance for us to get the points, final chance for us to move up in rank, final chance for us to win that mini league. So, if you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share. I know a lot of you guys watching. You guys just need to hit the subscribe button. And welcome to the Eddy Vision family. Okay, now let's get into it. We all know that Man City is battling for the title against Liverpool. You always want players that have something to play for. And I think Man City has that player in Kevin De Bruyne. Price at 12.1 million, ownership 16.5%. So he's still a differential for certain managers. He's averaging 7.8 points per game with an XG of 0.24. At home to Villa, Man City need 3 points to secure the EPL title. They'll be gunning for it. And I think it's a good chance for Man City to get the goals. I think it's a good chance for Man City to get the goals against Villa. Villa has been struggling over the past couple of games, not getting enough points, and I don't think they'll prove to be a big hurdle for Manchester City. So we expect Man City to score goals in this one and get the win. And, you know, the talisman, Kevin De Bruyne, should be the man behind those goals, whether getting the goals or getting the assists. So Kevin De Bruyne, first up, captain pick number 1. Another team that is fighting for glory, fighting for top 4, and that's Tottenham Hotspurs. Son has been the man on fire. 11.2 is his price. Ownership has skyrocketed to 32.6%. He's averaging 9.0 points per game. So he's a man on fire. XG 0.44. Expected assist 0.24. Should be an easy game away to Norwich City, already relegated and has nothing to play for. But Pride, we expect Spurs to be on the rampant, you know, getting the goals and to try and secure that top 4 spot. They have Arsenal that is breathing down their necks, waiting for them to slip up. So I believe Son, as a midfielder, should be a good option for captain. Alongside Son is the big man, Harry Kane. 21.8% owned by managers. Points per game, 6.0. XG, 0.54. So he's a man to get the goals for Spurs. Same fixture against Norwich away. We know these two have been linking up a lot. Son to Kane or Kane to Son. So the points will be there. You know, if Spurs go on and get the victory, Kane is another good option. He's on penalties and should be looked at as well for captaincy. Harry Kane. The other team fighting for top 4 with a slim chance, Arsenal. And their forward, Eddy and Nketiah, should be the man to get the goals if they get the goals against Everton. They have Everton at home. Everton already secured their place in next season's EPL, and so they should be a lot easier to play against because they're secured top flight football for 1 more year. So Nketiah, points per game 5.3, XG 0.53. He's very cheap, 5.7 million. Still a differential, just owned by 10.8 managers across the game. So Arsenal get on the goals. We know about Saka, but also if you want that differential points getter, you could look to Eddy and Nketiah for the captaincy. Not every team is playing for the title or playing for top 4 or fighting to stay up. You have some teams in the middle that are doing well, and Leicester City, especially Leicester City's striker, Jamie Vardy. We know about James Maddison as well, but Jamie Vardy doing bits. 10.3 is his price. 11.1% is his ownership. He's averaging 4.4 points per game. He's back from injury. When he starts, he usually gets goals, and he gets them in a bunch. So with an extra 0.46, Jamie Vardy is looking good. At home to Southampton. Southampton, nothing to play for as well. So both teams on the beach, nothing to play for, and it should be an interesting game. The final home game for Leicester City at home, they will look to put on a good show for the home fans, you know. So we're expecting Jamie Vardy to put on a good show as well. Let the party begin. Jamie Vardy, another captain selection. So that's the top 5, guys. Let me know in the comment section, who do you like as captain? Did I leave out anyone? Let me know which one of these players should be your captain. For me, I think I'll be going with Son for Spurs. Too much to play for. It's a big game away to already relegated Norwich City. So I expect Son and Kane to put on a good show. As an Arsenal fan, I'm very disappointed, you know, but we could have hold on to top 4. But it looks to me that top 4 will be going to Spurs, barring a miracle. But Arsenal should be there. They should get the win against Everton as well. So, also, there are also the Liverpool guys. We don't know who to pick from Liverpool. They're fighting for the title, just like City. But we don't know who to pick. Salah should be out. If you're looking for that differential striker, you could look to Mane for Liverpool. Okay, there you have it. The last captaincy pick for the year. So all the best, guys. Green arrows for everybody. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.